Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view collections in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your collections in your Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, you land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here, which is the profile interface of your Picsart account. And at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a bunch of icons or three buttons available for us. We'll be required to tap on the middle button at the top right corner of the screen, just between the person with the plus icon and the three dotted icon. Tap on the middle button over here, and that is the collection button, by which guys you land on this interface, where all of your collection which you had saved and created on Picsart will be over here. And that being said guys, this is how to view collections in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.